Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you would like to follow. Come through. We're obviously very girly here. So this video was requested before, so today I will be doing a prom get ready with me. People have requested a get ready with me, but I wanted to do a prom get ready with me, and I had the perfect website to send me a dress, which is Couturegarments.com. Couturegarment will be right here, and they sent me this beautiful little pink dress. It is so cute. This is like the dress that if you want to go to prom, if you don't like long dresses, and this is like a cute little cocktail short dress, it still looks like bougie enough for prom. So it is literally adorable, and if you love pink just as much as I do, you will love it. So yeah, this dress is so cute, and I'm going to show you how to do your makeup, or how I would do my makeup for prom, and the whole look, the heels, the jewelry, just getting ready with me, girl. Like, this is literally it. Prom is so much fun, and I'm so happy that you guys liked the other prom dress video I did. So I have another company for you guys, which is Couturegarment. They also ask for all of your measurements, so you know that the dress is going to be specifically tailored for you, and this is the picture they sent me to fill out. And I'm gonna put their website. It doesn't only have like frilly little girly things like I chose, it also has really sexy and like really cool luxurious prom dresses as well. I'm just going a little girly and ridiculous like always. So yes, I'm so excited. So let's get into this get ready with me. thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy the prom get ready with me. If you want any more types of videos like this, please let me know. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Alright guys, make sure to check out their website if you are looking for your prom dress right now. So bye guys, thank you, see you soon. This is my baby, I'm picking up my baby. Wait, I'm in love. That is my outfit. I kind of look like an explorer though. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and I have a really great video today, and I'm going to talk about Poshmark and fashion and closets and all that jazz. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also,